ICCT Stock Analysis and Price Predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1-minute video till the end, find out. So just looking at iCoreConnect, $2.85 is where we're at with 50% increase in price. Generally speaking, all I'm looking to do is further take things up. Now, I've talked about this thing previous times before. Even if I come here with ICCT, like I made just so many receipts with 39,000 videos. That was in the Discord with just previous receipts, so many previous receipts. And I'm aware that it's coming down in some demand, inside some demand zone, and I was waiting for a shift out here. Saw the first break only if there's that second one in this type of way, where in this instance I want to see the price pull down a deeper and then give me another break. Only then I'm going to look to further take things up. And guess what? If no rules are met, then why the heck would I look to freaking force trades? I mean, I'm very against forcing trades just because, you know, there's FOMO. Well, guess why? Because I've done 40,000 videos and I've seen what's been making me money and what's not. Not just seen, but actually collected data. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, then just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.